and jobs. And the rest is history for them. And ano, kaya ba natin yon? Pwede ba tayo maging ganon? Yes. Of course, that's the only thing that we have right now, is hope. And we must continue to hope. We must continue to believe. We have to anchor on it. Kailangan, alam natin, masasakit ang damdamin ninyo ngayon. Nagkaalimpuyo ang inyong mga puso, isipan, sa nangyayari sa sitwasyon na para bang wala na talagang pagbabago. Pare-pareho na lang sila. Alam ko, pare-pareho tayo nararamdaman. But, sabi nga, after the rain, there is a rainbow. Sisikat din ang araw sa atin. May panganganak din na maaari produkto ninyo sa inyong silid-aralan that someday will be a better leader, better businessmen, better professionals. So sa mga guro na nanganapa rito, hold on to it. Huwag na kayong malito sa noise or ingay. We focus. We in Manila, we are focused. No matter how hard it is emotionally with regard to the situation, we don't want to entertain noise. We focus on delivery of what is expected from us as leader. And I enjoy all my fellow Manilans, part of the city government, and our contingency in the national government. We must come together. Because if not all of you, maybe some or most of you have a story to tell, have history, or may relasyon sa lungsod ng Maynila. Meron kayong karanasan sa lungsod ng Maynila. Huwag naman na sinilin ko kayo ng kaunti. Kung po pwede, lingon ninyo kaming kaunti sa Maynila, because we Manilans, we cannot just do it alone. I cannot just do it alone. We include you and encourage you. We have to come together to showcase the capital of the country, wherein during those times, in our younger years, our forefathers look at this city as the land and city of opportunity. That's why they were all here. They thought that ito ang makapagtataguyod sa buhay nila. And then we must, like that pirate, and give this city to every Manileños and every Filipinos who will come in and out of the city. Na ito ay makapagbibigay sa kanila ng magandang pag-asa o pagkakataon. Again, to all of you here, thank you very much for choosing the city of Manila. Ito ang programa ninyo. Natutuwa kami sapagkat si Lumeda, si Superintendent, ako at ang aming school board ay muli namin ibinalik ang ganitong uri, kahalintulad na gawain sa loob ng paralan. On December 3, we will have our championship for oratory and all other literacy competition. Kasi nung bata kami, pusong-puso ang orador. Ang declamation. Nung araw, pinatatayo kami dyan ng teacher namin. Pati lahat ng pihit ng katawan, inaabot mo. Sa kahihiyan, sa takot, sa nervyos. But I think, instead of all other technologies, yes, we are doing technologies, but we must continue to believe to really find talents with our students. Gusto namin na competition kayo, Metro Manila, balang araw. Magkita-kita tayo sa finals. Kasi gusto namin kita productive competition, tsaka skills. and talents. That's why we wanted to build a facility like this in the public education to showcase and continue to be reminded who we are as Filipino. Ipaalala sa mga bata nito ang kultura at tradisyon. At at the same time, ipakita ang galing ng mga estudyante ng pampublikong paralan. Purihin ninyo, nakapag-produce kayo ng mayor. Special child ba ako? Hindi, marami pa dyan. Because what happened to me can happen to any John, Doe's, and Mary. Can, because yung imposible, naging posible. So, kaya lagi kong pinapaalala sa mga guro na hold on to it. Continue to believe. Someday, somehow, you will produce more, better individuals and successful individuals. So muli po, bibitawan ko ng mikropono. Hindi, excited ako pag ang mga teacher ang nakakausap ko. Ito lang isa. Welcome po kayo sa Manila. O di, nakakahiya naman. Siyempre, tumosgas yung mga competitors. Ilan ba ang competitors? 17 rin. 15. O, siyempre, may mananalo. May matatalo. Ganun lang naman yun. O, sige, nakita ko kasi nagpandiin eh. Napagastos yung mga contestant ninyo. Nakakahiya naman. Baka sinabi, sabihin, walang binesa ang mga batang Manila. Hindi, as a matter of token of appreciation, we appreciate you coming here with all honesty. Mas maganda ang mga pasilidad ninyo na nauna na sa inyong kanya-kanyang distrito or district, no? But I'm happy that you conducted there. Dito kayo nag-conduct ng ganito event. So, 15, ano? O sige, token na lang namin. Yung 15, tigpoposam sila. Ay, paano naman? Ano lang? Konting provecho ba? Para mamaya, yung cake, o may panchicha sila. Pang-banding. Kaya lagi kayo tumako sa Manila, masarap kaming kabanding. Welcome kayo sa lungsod ng Manila. Maraming salamat po. Pagpalain na ba kayo? Manila, God bless.